Do you have problem with dry scalp? Don't worry guys, there is now a solution for this. This product is Phenogreek Scalp Tonic. This is very good if you have a dry scalp. This is a vegan. This is good for normal, oil, curly, straight, or dry hair. Loaded with lecithin, deep emollient condition and moisturize your hair and scalp. And it prevents also for hair loss, guys. And the benefits of this while using this Phenogreek Scalp Tonic is moisturize our hair, guys. It's fight dry scalp, fight the scalp inflammation, add natural luster, thickens hair. And how to use this, of course, drop on scalp and massage in well to our scalp. Use this daily for the best result.